In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an exclusion in Windows 11 Defender. If Windows Defender is blocking a file or app you know is safe, an exclusion. Let's Defender skip scanning that specific item. Use this sparingly. Exclusions reduce protection, so only exclude content you fully trust from a reputable source. Start by opening Settings. You can use the Start menu or press the Windows key plus I to get there quickly. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. This area controls your system's safety features. Next, choose Windows Security. Then click Open Windows Security. That button launches the dedicated security dashboard where antivirus controls live. Inside Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection. This is where scan settings and real-time protection options are located. Now click Manage Settings. You may need administrator permission to change these options. Scroll down to the Exclusions section and click Add or Remove Exclusions. This opens the list of anything your antivirus is currently ignoring. If it's empty, you haven't created any yet. Click Add an Exclusion. You'll see 4 choices: File, Folder, File Type, and Process. Pick the one that best matches what you need to allow. Choose File to exclude a single file, like a trusted installer or a custom script. Choose Folder to exclude an entire directory, which is useful for development environments or virtual machine folders, but remember, it hides everything inside that path from scans. Choose File Type to exclude all files with a specific extension, such as a unique project format you regularly use. Be cautious, because this applies system-wide. Choose Process to exclude a running app by its process name. That tells Defender not to scan files opened by that program while it runs. After selecting the exclusion type, a prompt appears to help you pick the exact item. Navigate to the file or folder, enter the extension for a file type, or type the name of the process, then confirm. Once added, the exclusion appears in your list immediately and takes effect right away. That's it. You've added an exclusion in Windows 11 Defender. Keep exclusions as narrow as possible and review them periodically so your device stays protected. If an item no longer needs to be ignored, you can return to this same page and remove it. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while you work. When in doubt, verify the source and consider running a one-time scan before you exclude anything.